Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today I'm gonna show you 9 egg surprise from Cars. They come in this cool little box. Inside each of these eggs you get a little toy surprise. Very cool. So here are the eggs. Inside you get a little candy and a little toy. So let's open them and see what we have inside. This is a plastic egg. It comes with a little covering, also plastic. Let's see what we have here. Okay, first off, we get a snot rod sticker. Very cute. We get a little flyer talking about cars. And the car that comes inside is Sally. Very cute. Wow, what I can see here is that the eyes and the mouth are not sticker. This is a tiny little plastic car which is all painted, which is very cool. We also got some candy here, which is jelly beans. So let's put all this aside and let's put Sally back in. We're gonna get rid of the plastic and just stay with the egg. Egg number 2. Let's see what's the surprise. We got Fillmore. Wow, this Fillmore looks very different from the original, in a dark green color, and he's also all painted. Very cute. Cute little face. Let's see what else we have here. Jelly beans. And for stickers, we have Wingo. Really cute. We also got the Cars flyer. They're all the same in every egg. Moving on to the next egg. Wow, this is awesome. We got Tractor Tippin. He's so cute. All orange, nice big tires. And just like in the movie, he tips over. That's very cool. Let's see. Yep, he tips over. Jelly beans. A Lightning McQueen sticker. And the little flyer. Okay, here's the next egg. And once again we have Tractor Tippin. Let's see if the sticker is the same. Yep, the sticker is the same. Lightning McQueen. The next one. Cool, we have Doc. He's also all painted. Very nice. No license plate though. Let's see the sticker. Nice, DJ. And jelly beans. The next one is Guido. Very cute. He has a nice big smile, all painted. Very nice little Guido. Let's see the sticker. Boost. And jelly beans. The next egg is Luigi. I'm so happy I got him, because now I have Luigi and Guido. Jelly beans and stickers is Boost once again. One more egg, and we have another Guido and another sticker of Boost. And here is the last egg. Hopefully we're gonna get a new character. So drum roll please. Oh, once again we have Tractor Tippin. And the sticker is gonna be Lightning McQueen. Opening these eggs is just so much fun. We got 9 eggs, 9 packages of jelly beans, 9 awesome stickers, and of course, all the 9 miniature cars. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Cars right here on Disney Collector.